Good morning, everybody. It is August the 8th, 2016. Time to kick off another trading week. Very little news over the weekend. Chinese import-export numbers continue to show global trade is contracting. It's not growing. The markets boil that down to mean that central banks have to provide more stimulus to their economies, buy stocks, buy bonds. The direction of the E-minis primal. Friday's market, we had a strong rally in the United States, made new contract highs. We made new contract highs in Globex. The direction of the stock market is up. It'll be that way into the elections. No central bank in the world is going to take on their governments by raising interest rates unless absolutely necessary, and it won't happen in the United States until after the November elections. So the way is clear for the E-mini to trade higher. 2200, 2235 was a number that was mentioned by several technicians is the next trading target. And if you take out 2175, 2200, it is the next number. So I wouldn't argue that either. Looking at the 10-year right here, resistance begins at 4. So 3 to 7, sell 1, 11 to 15, sell 2. On the buy side, support is at 28, so 25, 29, buy 1, 17, 21, buy 2. Like the short side first this morning, on the assumption that the E-mini is going to at least attempt to retest the overnight session highs. Looking at the ZB, the 30-year. Those are the splits that I would use, and because we've taken out this M period low, probably we'll fold that one back in, but we always split London to find out where near support and resistance are, or have been. So right now we're at 10, 16 to 20. First resistance, 23.27, sell 1. 31.03, sell 2. On the buy side, 171.04 to 08, this area right here. First little band of support, so 29 to 01, buy 1. And 17 to 21, buy 2. E-mini sells today. Treasury should rally. Gold is lower over the weekend. No need to own gold. Stock markets are going up, right? See, we're 53. We're blown up in a Pakistan. I think it was a Pakistani hospital. This ideology that we're up against is no mercy anywhere. In fact, the more you ask for mercy, the worse they become. The more they devise horrendous ways to kill people. It is something you would think the world would be willing to take on, but they're not. So we've got the London high right here at 40. We got the overnight session high at 44. We have the mode up here at 44.45, and the last rotate up Friday afternoon was 46. So 40 to 46 is where resistance is right now. So 40, 42, sell 1. 44, 46, sell 2. On the buy side, we have our 35, 37, then we have volume down here at 30. So 34, 36, buy 1. And then 29, 30, 1. Pick up this high volume area right here, buy 2. Looking at the euro, and the currencies and the metals and the softs, those markets all start in London. Reasonable support down at probably 1075, 1050. Right now we're at 111 even, so we are pointed down in B, so we'll just put it at 1075. And then 1050, and we'll see what happens. I think it's going lower. I do like the short side better. 111.15 to 25, sell 1. And then 111.50, sell 2. Crude was up strongly. And again, I sure hope the low is in. I mean, the lost a lot of good jobs, high-paying jobs, and it's still going on in the industry because of lower prices. Pretty strong buying on Friday. Globex retested these two highs right here and took them out. So the market is trading up. And if we do a London split, definitely a strong piece. So right now, this 42.50, 42.75. We got that low volume number right here at 60. That's where we are. So 42.75, 43, sell 1. 43 and a quarter, 43.50, sell 2. Market is pointed higher. Failure to take out and hold 43 sets up a short, in my opinion. 42 and a quarter, buy 1. And pick up this high volume area, 41.50, 41.75, buy 2. I have no specific piece of news to explain the strength in crude. And to the E-mini. The will of the Fed is taking us higher. Everybody around the globe is lockstep. Again, the easiest trade to see is going to be failure to take out and hold 21.83, 21.85. So selling failure. The longer term trade is to find a place to buy it. 89.94 for sell 2. I think we're headed to 2200. There is support at 75. There is support at 73. So 76, 74, buy 1. Last rotate down, the breakout came at 65. Last rotate down was 67. It's a ways away. So 66, 71 for buy 2. I would look for a slow grind higher this morning. Maybe take it down on the opening. They've made new highs. Nothing's really changed. And then come back in and buy it mid-session. It's Monday. We'll have to just kind of figure it out. but the long-term trades to find a place to get long and ride it out. You're going to take a bit to get everything up and posted. I'll get busy on that. I'll be back with you as soon as possible.